Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the harness type, 4, 5, or 7 pin, and that the trailer and vehicle both use a 12V system. Once done, gather tools, wire strippers, crimpers, a multimeter, heat shrink tubing, and dielectric grease. Make sure to disconnect the battery to avoid shorts. Now locate the vehicle's connector and compare color codes to the trailer harness. Match grounds first, that stabilizes the circuit. Then position the harness so routing is clear, and you have room to work on the first. You strip about 1/2 inch of insulation, twist the copper strands, and choose crimp connectors or soldering depending on skill and exposure. If you crimp, double-check with a pull test. If you solder, avoid cold joints. Slide heat shrink over the joint, apply dielectric grease, then heat to seal against moisture. Make sure the ground is bolted to bare metal for a good return path. Route the harness along the frame, use zip ties to prevent sagging, and keep wiring away from hot exhaust and sharp edges. You reconnect the battery and test each circuit, tail lights, brake lights, and turn signals, either with a helper activating controls or by measuring voltage at the trailer connector. Make sure the connector seats fully and that pins align. Secure the harness to the vehicle so it won't rub or pinch, and fasten any protective loom. If a function fails, measure ground continuity and voltage under load. A weak ground or corroded pin is the most common culprit. Replace faulty connectors and retest until all systems work reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.